Well, in today's busy life, everybody finds it difficult to come to the kitchen and cook something exotic. Don't worry, I've got these beautiful 3 recipes for you which you can make in 1 minute using these snack hacks. This apple mint and lemon cooler is such a great recipe that I make in my restaurants, and now you can easily make it in your homes. All you need is some beautiful green apples from Poland. Now these apples are full of superfood. So for making this drink, all I need to do is remove the seeds and puree the apples. Just roughly chop the apples so that you can puree them easily. Add some water to make the puree smooth. Green apples are generally a bit sour, so if you don't like your drink to be very sour, you can also add just a little bit of sugar. Now, just blend it. Well, I'm taking a beautiful Italian lemon, but if you don't have these, you can use the Indian lime as well. Now let's just muddle these lemons with some ginger and mint. For the sweetness, you could either add some honey or some brown sugar or even normal sugar. I prefer honey. And now, just muddle them. Pouring in some green apple juice and just giving it a nice shake. Now we need to build this drink up in the glass. And finally, some chopped green apples from Poland. Here you go. This apple, mint and lemon cooler is absolutely ready. This is going to refresh you amazingly. Well, I've created this recipe using apples from Poland. They are absolutely delicious and very high in quality. Do try them. Well, if we talk about snack hacks, we have to talk about hummus. Hummus is a beautiful dish that comes from the Arab countries. Many countries make hummus in very different ways, but today I'm going to make a hummus beruti. To make a hummus beruti, you need to take chickpeas and boil them till they are really soft, absolutely mashable. Plonk them in a mixie jar. So for 2 cups of boiled chickpeas, you need about a tablespoon of garlic. Good hummus is a little tangy, so we're adding some lemon. Along with this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin powder and half a cup of tahini, which is sesame paste. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil from Portugal. Olive oil gives the creaminess and the amazing flavor to hummus, and it's a very important ingredient for this dish. A very good extra virgin olive oil will make your hummus very tasty. Some salt. Now we need to make a paste of it till it's really smooth. If at all you feel your hummus is very thick and you need to smoothen it down, add some more olive oil. Always pour some extra virgin olive oil over the hummus. It gives you a beautiful taste. And I'm using a beautiful extra virgin olive oil from Portugal, which also has a PDO label. Some crystal salt will always give a great crunch. Well, this is going to become a beautiful addition to my charcuterie board. So this beautiful hummus is ready. This extra virgin olive oil can be used to make your hummus very tasty, or even make an amazing pasta with these extra virgin olive oils. Well, how about making a very quick pudding with chocolate? I've got some beautiful cranberry chocolate from Germany, and I'm going to make a very healthy chia seed pudding. Let's go. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in about 500 ml of milk. So just boil the milk with these chia seeds for about 3 to 4 minutes and your pudding will actually be ready. So once the chia seed pudding is nice and thick, then let's start adding some flavor. A few drops of vanilla go really well with chocolate. Once we stir this, we're going to divide this into 2 parts. One will have the white chocolate and one will have the beautiful German dark chocolate. While the pudding is still warm, let's add some chocolate. To one part, I'm adding about 4 spoons of grated white chocolate. If you notice, I'm not adding any sugar here. There's sweetness in the chocolate and I'm going to add some honey to it. To the other part, we're going to add some cocoa powder and some grated beautiful German chocolate. A little sweetness of honey. And now just mix this through to make a chocolatey chia seed pudding. Now we're going to layer this to make a pudding glass. Line with some chopped almonds, some fresh blueberries from Denmark, and now let's line the white chocolate pudding. I'm going to layer them with some strawberries and raspberries from Europe. Doesn't this look amazing? A beautiful chocolate chia seed pudding made with chia seeds, milk, white chocolate and cranberry chocolate from Germany. Using these snack hacks, these quick recipes can be made very easily. Whether it's this apple and mint cooler or a chocolate chia seed pudding or a lovely hummus. Well, I'm going to now dig in and enjoy all these beautiful flavors, and I hope you're going to use these snack hacks and make your life easy.